In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make one front text of every slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a handy trick to ensure that your presentation has consistent and professional-looking slides. To get started, you'll need to have PowerPoint installed on your desktop. Once you have that all set, let's dive right in. First, open PowerPoint on your desktop. You can either open an existing presentation file or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Feel free to add any photos, tables, and other content as needed for your presentation. The beauty of this method is that you can overlay consistent text while leaving your individual slide contents intact. Next, we'll navigate to the Slide Master view. Go to the View tab on the main ribbon at the top of PowerPoint and click on Slide Master. This is a powerful feature that allows you to make changes at a high level that affects all slides in your presentation, ensuring uniformity without having to adjust each slide individually. Once you're in the Slide Master view, go to the left pane and click on the first slide thumbnail. This is your main Slide Master, and any changes you make here will reflect across all your slides. It's like setting a template that each individual slide follows. Now, head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon and select the text box option. You have the choice to either click and drag to draw a text box on the slide, or simply click where you want your text to appear. This gives you flexibility in positioning your text exactly how you want it. Once you have your text box, go ahead and type the text you want. This might be your company name, a slogan, or any other text that you want consistently displayed on every slide. It's a straightforward addition, but one that adds a layer of professionalism and structure to your slides. With your text typed out, it's time to make it stand out. Switch to the Home tab, where you can begin formatting your text. Here, you can change the font, its size, and color to match the style of your presentation. You might want to play around with these settings a bit to see what looks best across all slides. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, return to the Slide Master tab and click on Close Master View. This will take you back to the normal slide view, and you'll see that the text you added is now visible on all slides. This means every single slide in your presentation now bears the same text format, ensuring a cohesive look and feel to your entire presentation, and that wraps it up. You've just learned how to maintain consistency and professionalism in your PowerPoint presentations by adding text to every slide quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back soon for more helpful tips and tutorials.